Sabi ni Idol dito guys, Boss Wack, English naman sa susunod na voice over. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll try my best. So here, I'm using CC. So I think here, I'm fully countered with Guinevere because whenever I jump, he will just do the ulti without any effort. See? That's what I'm talking about. What the fuck is going on, my friend? I'm 0-3 now. While my colleagues, they are very strong. And I'm so shy with them because I'm doing Kamote Gaming. I'll show you what I'm talking about earlier. See? Whenever I do the jumping, and he will just do the ulting. Then I'm dying. What the fuck, man?
That you
What he just said? Ayos XP. What Ayos XP? I don't understand Tagalog, my friend. Oh, nice ultimate by Tigreal. I like you, man. I don't want to be there on the top anymore. Guinevere is very strong. That's why, anong English ng makabawi sa kampi? Ay na kasing English yan eh. Hindi kasi nag-aral ng mabuti. Oh no, you captured by Guinevere. You die. My friend, I don't understand what you're chatting. Stop chatting. Okay? We focusing here. Tigreal using concealing setting. That's why we are backing upping. Nice one. Nice one, team. Good job. What the fuck, Lorraine? Your heal is very good, huh? It's so accurate. Your team is almost dying, but you press the ultimate, and then they're healing. Galing. This is why you have to listen to your parents. Whenever they say, you have to study hard, son, so your English will be great soon. Tangina na, ano ko pa yun, ah. Buti nasingit ko pa yun, ah. Oh, you guys are following Carrie? Okay, I will follow too. Follow the leader. Nice one. We are bowing now. See my standing from 0-3. I'm 2-4 now. You are here again, my friend. I don't want to be with you anymore. Let me pull my item pack and I will pack you. I will duel you right now. See? I have full item now. You can't tolongis me anymore. Fuck you, man. Now I'm stronger than anybody. Whoever will try to kill me, I shall return. What are you doing, my team? Trash talking is not allowed. What the fuck? Now they want to take the Lord. What are you doing, Tigreal? Why are you walking? Go to Pani and help. Diyos mio, Marimar. Where are you going, my friend? They're taking the Lord. What the fuck, man? What are you waiting for? Christmas? Now, this set is like Christmas. Look at that. So beautiful. It's like Christmas tree. Oh my God, man. We are losing. That's why we are losing. Kasi trash talkan ng mga animal. Ay, ba't ako nagtatagalog? Okay, back to English conference. Oh no. I think we can't depth this anymore. Instead of focusing the game, you focusing on trash talking. But don't worry, don't lose hope. Even they have the Lord. Because every little thing's gonna be alright. See the Pani? You're idiot, my friend. What are you doing there? How come you don't see the Lord coming? Now we are packed up. Tigreal setting alone? Patay ang gago. But it's okay. Orada said, winning is not important. The most important, you cooperate. Kung ina-ina nyo, pinagtitripan nyo ako, pinag-English nyo pa ako, ha? Ayan, MVP pa tayo, guys, oh. Ang hirap mag-English talaga, kaya mag-aral kayo mabuti, kayo mga kabataan kayo. Tutulad kayo sa English ko. Barag-barag.